Here we are with race number 145, under 16 girls, W6 250 metre, Te K semi 3 off 3. In lane 3 we have Te Kurukapapa Māori o Te Araho. In lane 4 Trident High School. In lane 5 Te Kurukapapa Māori o Te Orini ki Ngāti. In lane 6 Te Kurukapapa Māori o Ngāti Kahungunu ki Here Taunga. Lane 7 Te Kura o Koko Huia. In lane 8 Te Kurukapapa Māori o Whakariwa i Te Reo. In lane 9 Raglan Area School. And in lane 10 Te Kura o Ngā Ruahine Rangi. This is the third of the Te K semis for our under 16 girls. Here we have our red flag is upstanding. And not too far, and the green flag is up out there with lanes 5, 6 and 7, 9 and 10 all out there gunning the start. Out there in lane 9 Raglan Area School, redeeming themselves. But out here in lane 7, 6 and 5, all battling for that first place. Te Kurukapapa Māori o Ngāti Kahungunu ki Here Taunga. O me Te Kura o Koko Huia. As well as lane 5 Te Kurukapapa Māori o Te Orini ki Ngāti Awa. Going hard out there, not long to go to the finish. Lane 6 and 7 battling it out. However, it looks like lane 7's got the nose. Oh, not much of a finish between there. And in lane 3 takes the third place, Te Kurukapapa Māori o Te Araho. Kei reira ngā kaiwhakaihu waka, te aratua whitu, te kura o Koko Huia. Here we have our replay out there in lane 9, right on the line. All 5 waka out there, all up the front. 7, 6 and 5. In the lead, but however it was lane 7 that just took the lead at the finish, with lanes 6 and 5 following after them.